Where's Connor? Where's Connor? Right, I'm going to throw you in there. Oh! Too fat to get out. Right, here we go, I'll do it again. Right. Did you laugh at me? Did I hear you laughing at me? Yeah. Right. Right. One. Two. Soon. Can I just show you where the stones are a minute? I'm on the mobile phone here, so don't push me. Don't push me in, right? Yeah, Nicky. Right. Yeah, the weather's really good here. It's hang on a minute. I'll just put a talk to Connor again. Can you remember where the stones are? Yeah, hi Nicky. Don't just push me in because I've got my mobile phone here. Pretty good here actually. Food's actually been excellent. It's ah! What? What happened? Did you push me? No. I thought you did. No, I didn't. You pushed me. I didn't. Oh, somebody did. Where's my luck? It's still there. What did you do? I did the elephant. I wanted to run, then you pulled it in. Go on, jump in.
No,
don't jump in. Oh, thank you. Did you trip me up then, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Well, somebody did.
All you did like that.
I'm not telling. Yeah. Well, who put that step there? I didn't see that step before. Right, come on, what's going on here? What's going on here?
He just pulled it in and now I'm getting in.
No, he didn't. Push me.
No,
He pushed me in.
No.
He pushed me in. What happens? What in that case? I was on my mobile phone then. What happened? Oh, that hurt my face. Everybody's falling in. I've got my clothes on. Sorry?